I've had a lot of flooding around the Okmulgee area today. I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you some footage, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. I'm in Okmulgee touring some of the floods out here next to a creek. I'm not sure the name of it, but it's pretty full. You can tell it's way over the banks. Okay, I'm up over the bridge now. You can tell that the water is pretty much raging past the bridge here. Definitely not something you'd want to be caught in. I'm at the corner of Bixby Road and Hectorville Road. As you can tell, it's not really safe to go across that intersection right now. And I just saw a fish swim across the road, believe it or not. Let's get some footage out here and let you have a look for yourself.